Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I'm going to prepare a peri peri paste. You can use the peri peri paste for marinating a lot of different type of meat, but today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it to marinate my chicken thigh and how I'm going to grill it on the grill. I hope you try that recipe and you enjoy it with your family and friend. Then without any more delay, let's get started. As you can see, we need quite a few ingredients for making peri peri sauce. You can use some of the dry ingredient, but if you have a fresh ingredient, nothing beat fresh ingredient. Dry ingredient obviously is easier to keep, but doesn't have the same flavor. Therefore, we need a bit of parsley, possibly half of that. We need red capsicum, onion, ginger, garlic, just white pepper, salt, tomato paste, a bit of Kashmiri chili, oregano, I'll use the dry one, and smoked paprika, a bit of cardamom, coriander seed grinded, and black pepper, and a bit of vegetable oil. First of all, I'm going to add the dry ingredient. I add some of the black pepper, half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon. Coriander, I use 1 tablespoon. And I'll put them away. Oregano dried, I use 1 tablespoon. Smoked paprika, I use 1 tablespoon. Kashmiri chili is very hot, so I use just 1/4 or 1/8 of the spoon. White pepper again, just 1/8 of the tablespoon. Cardamom grinded, I use 1/4 of a spoon. Salt, I use 1 tablespoon, and brown sugar, use 1 tablespoon as well. Alright, now all of the dry ingredient went. Then I add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And then starting to put 1 small onion. I chop the onion to smaller pieces and put it in. Then capsicum, not such a big capsicum. Then chop it to small pieces. Garlic, ginger. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can use paste or dry one, the same as garlic. But as I said, nothing beats fresh ingredient. And I'll add actually 1 tablespoon of the oil. Just get half of those bunch of the parsley and just wash it and cut the stems off and just roughly chop them and put it in the processor. While we run out of space, when that is the case, I'm gonna just chop it a bit. Just make some room, more room. And we add those one. And we're almost there. If you find the paste is a bit too thick, you can add a bit of water, but ideally when it's mixed well, it's good. Fresh capsicum have a lot of water. Look at the paste, look quite nice. And now we're going to marinate our chicken thigh and cook some. Okay, that's our chicken thigh. I'm going to add some of those paste to our chicken thigh and then start to mix them up. Those chicken has been marinated at least for half an hour. You can do it marinate even overnight in the fridge, but if you are in a rush, if half an hour is enough. And it's a chicken thigh, and I put the oven in maximum temperature, which is 240 degrees, and is basically on the grill. I'm going to cook it on the grill because it's much healthier way and it's a bit tasty as well. Therefore, I'm going to take the tray out, baking paper under here, make the cleaning. All of the juice and fat from chicken gonna drip in here. Is much easier to clean. Put the grill and basically spreading those chicken. And that's it. And I put them on the grill for 10 minutes, and then I turn them around, and I'll cook it for another 10 minutes and see how it goes. 10 minutes pass, so we're gonna just take our chicken out. Oh, look at that, looks beautiful. Now I'm just gonna change, rotate them, and I'll put it for another 10 minutes. Beautiful. All done. This time I put it a bit further, one level down, and wait for another 10 minutes. There's another 10 minutes. I'm going to take it out and again have a look. Start looking good, but I'm still going to turn it over and put it a bit lower to just this side also we get a bit of color. It's our chicken is ready. Just let it for rest for a couple of minutes, and I'm going to chop it to strips, and we're going to have it with the bread and salad. As you can see, quite nice color. Right now chicken is rested about 5 minutes. I add a bit of sauce marinate as well, the fresh one, a bit drizzle on top of it, and now just gonna make the strips. Looking good. Let's taste it. I hope you find this video useful, and if that's the case, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. That helps and motivates me to produce more videos and try to improve the quality of my video to add value to my dear viewer. Finally, I want to thank you again for giving your time and watching this video, and hopefully you can make that delicious peri peri chicken for yourself and your family and enjoy it together. Until next video, I want to thank you and say goodbye to all of you. Try to be active, try to eat healthy food, and be curious and try new things. Bye for now.